Hey, I am Rishi and I'm going to show you how you can use Orshot to generate videos. So first things first, you will open the Orshot dashboard and you will create a new template. And then you can just start with the dimensions of the video you want. So let's say you want Instagram reel. So you can do something like 1080 by 1920. And here I can add video using this button. So I will just click on this, and I have some in the library, but I will upload a couple of new videos. So I will just select these two, and once they are uploaded, they will show in my video library. So you can see, so I will just drag this video, cover this part. I'll just put it in center, and then I'll copy this. I'll make it bigger. And I will copy this, I'll put it at the bottom, I'll replace it with the other video, and I'll just enter a text like 10 reasons why you should start coding. I'll just make it a little fancy, so I'll just put it in the center. I'll make it center. I will choose, let's say, instrument serif. I'll bump up the font size like this. Yeah, and then you can just play the video, and you can see that like this is 15 seconds video, and you can see the options here. You can control if you want the video to be muted or looped, and you can also trim it here. Same for the other video. You can just play, and you can see one video is 15 seconds, other one is 12 seconds. So basically what it will do is it will take the longer video and I use the duration of that, but this is highly flexible and you can control all of this in the API. So to make this controllable or like flexible via API, you can just parameterize the video. So we'll say video top. We will also basically give this text a parameter. So you'll say text center, and this video will be video bottom, and that's it. Like now we have parameterized each of these elements. I'll just save the template, and I'll go to the playground to show how you can generate it. So this is the preview, and these are the parameters that we had set, like video top, which is this one, video bottom, which is this one, and then there is text center, which is this. Now what you can do is you can basically, with these options only, you can generate a video. You have these formats: MP4, webm, and even GIF. So it will take the highest duration, like this video is 15 seconds, so it will take 15-second frames. And then you can also control frames per second, quality of the video, and you can also trim it. So let's say you want to generate a GIF, and you want to say like you want to have the video from 3 seconds to 6 seconds, which is going to be a 3-second GIF. And since it's GIF, it will be muted, so it's all right. So we'll click on generate render, and it will basically do its work and render the GIF in a couple of seconds. Since it's video, it takes more time than images, but yeah, it should be fast enough. So yeah, you can see that it has generated the GF 3 to 6 seconds, and this is the API response looks like. So video duration is 3 seconds because we have set 3 to 6, and this is the URL of the video and the format GIF, and it took like 22 seconds to generate the GIF. Now what you can do is you can pass custom videos as well, because we have parameterized these frames. So what you can do is let's say I have this video, this is a public URL video, like it's a 9-minute video, right? And what I can do is I can just copy this, and let's say I want to use this in the bottom video. So I will just pass the URL of that video for the video bottom param. And what you can do is you can actually dynamically configure the trim values, mute values, or like looping for any parameter actually in the API itself. So let's say I want the video that I showed, it is 9 minutes and 56 seconds. So let's say, and I have used it in the video bottom, but let's say I want to render it for a particular time. So I can say that in the API, I want to render the video from, let's say 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds, to trim end, let's say 130 seconds. So basically it will trim the video bottom, which is what we have selected, from 120 122 seconds to 130 seconds, which is a 10-second duration for the bottom video. And we can also change the text, like we can say that 10 reasons why you should start coding early. And then let's say I want to change this let's say font of this text, so I can say instrumental, I can say PT serif, which is a Google font. And let's say I want to generate a video, so I can select MP4. And let's say I want to have the audio, so I will just cancel this, and I will just clear these values as well. And before I do this, before I do this, I'll just show you the API request, how it looks like. So we have video top, video bottom, text center, which is this, and then these are the dynamic parameters that we have set, the trim start, trim end values for the video bottom, and trim center, like text center, and the font family for this, which is a custom font that we have added. So what I will do is I will go, and all of this looks, oh, we missed, yeah, it's good. So I will just click on generate, and then it will create MP4 version with like I think 13 seconds duration, because the top video is 13 seconds and video bottom will be 10 seconds because we have added the 10-second duration here. So yeah, since it's video, it will take some time to generate, but yeah, that's how it works. And then you can generate like up to 3 minutes video in Orshot, 3 minutes per video. And then yeah, it is based on the number of renders in your plan. So it consumes 8 renders per second you generate. So that's how it works, and it is highly dynamic. So you can basically control trim values. You can also control like mute, if you want to dynamically mute or unmute the video, or you can just loop as well. So yeah, and apart from that, you also get like the styles which you can add per layer or per parameter that you have. So that's there as well, and you can do it for all the layers that you have. Like for the text, you get all the font. You can even generate the text using AI prompt. You can add links to it, which works only in PDFs. But yeah, you have all sort of control in your API. And yeah, it is taking some time, but yeah, since it's video and since it processes it at the auto quality, which is like it prefers to go with the higher frames per second, but then it also depends on the length of the video. So yeah, it should be here, I think. Yeah, and you can basically use this in not just with API, but then you can also have this with all the integrations that we have. Like you can also trigger these video generation in these platforms. So yeah, we have the video here. You can see that the top video is same because we didn't change it, but at the bottom you see this new video which we had passed from a URL, from the public URL, and then it plays from 120 seconds to 130 seconds. And then we have this PT serif font here, and it's a 40-second video, which is the max length of this top video, which is 13.9 seconds, I think. So yeah, that's how. And you can see the quality. I can first show you the response. Response is basically like the URL of the video generated format and the time it took to generate, which is like I think 2 minutes something. And then the video duration, which is 14.9, about 15 seconds. And then I can show you the video quality. So I'll just open it in new tab, and you can see like how crispy it is. And FPS is pretty good as well, and smooth. So yeah, that's how video generation works in Orshot. And yeah, I hope it is going to be useful. Thank you.